welcome to day 9 in Denmark. So today we are going to Copenhagen. So this is my first part of the Copenhagen trip and I'm so excited to be there, guys, because Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark and it's a charming blend of modern and historical elements. So I'm so excited to be there and there are so much key attractions to see, so let's go with me. Okay guys, now we are checking to the ferry for Copenhagen and also this is my first ferry ride in Denmark. I'm so excited. So we parked our car in the downstairs and now we are going to find our seats. Okay guys, you can see there are so much space here, so we decided to sit in here because it's really close to the dining area and it's kind of cool. So guys, I think taking ferry than motorway for this trip is way more better because this is like sail on a float in city, so you can really enjoy breathtaking views of the coast and cozy lounges and hang out with your friends and family and play some games, and this is so fun.
Baby, I want you. Baby, I need you. You make it so easy that it's easy to love you. Baby.
Guys, our ferry ride is around 1 hour, so we decided to play Uno and have some fun.
Going insane. There's something about you, it's hard to explain, but I like it that way.
So then we had lunch and it was okay.
Myself, I'm tired of being alone and I need help. I hope there is someone who needs this.
So after checkout, now we are on the way to see our family. I'm so excited to meet them, guys.
When everyone around was like a gangster, I'm dreamed of finding a place and running through this mess. I finally hold you in a press, so don't let me go. So don't let me.
Okay guys, this is our first stop of the trip to Copenhagen. So we met our family, we had coffee, we talked, and now we are going to explore the surroundings of this area. Okay guys, now we are exploring the surroundings and you can see the fence over here, so you can't touch that because it has teeny little electric shocks, so you are not allowed to touch that. Otherwise you can enjoy this beautiful surroundings.
The skies.
So we came to this kids playing area and we had so much fun here.
The fireflies dancing in the air. I strum my old guitar on the front porch where the worn and bare. The moon is shining bright, casting its golden hue as I sing my love songs.
OMG guys, this view is so stunning. I can't get over with this beautiful breathtaking panorama view. This is so pretty. Okay guys, now we are going to have some ice cream. I really like to taste ice cream here. On the way, I really enjoyed the peacefulness of this area and of course the beauty of lush green fields. Okay guys, we arrived to the ice cream spot and this is my first time trying Danish Softice. So
Hold on, lean into me. There's a love so high that we can't see, and it's holding us tonight. Yeah, it's showing us the light. Yeah, we're living in the glow. We're living in the glow. We're living in the
So we came to this area to enjoy our ice cream and of course to enjoy this beautiful view of the lake.
We're singing, we're dancing, 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 we're singing,
Feel the beat, feel the heat, rocking out to every beat.
After that, we came to see this big boatyard that located in Zealand.
Feel the beat, feel the heat, rocking out to every beat. Chasing dreams through the night, in the spotlight burning bright. From the underground we ignite, our passion fuels the fight. We're the rebels, we're the stars, setting fire to the bars. We're the voice to the stars.
And also we discovered this old school gym, guys. So guys, we made so much nice memories here and we had so much fun and enjoyable time with our family. Okay guys, this cool summer house is gonna be our home for the next few days, so I can't wait. And this place is very cozy and very functional. And guys, I'm gonna give you a full tour of this summer house in a separate video, so Okay guys, you can see this summer house is very spacious, and also I really like the interior here. And the best part is you can play with the trampoline. They got a cute trampoline here. So guys, I'm gonna give you a full detailed tour of this summer house very soon in a separate video, because then I can explain all the stuff that you need to aware of, and of course about the surroundings here. They are so beautiful.
In the silence of the night, I hear my heart's soft cry. Echoes of a love that's lost beneath the endless sky. Stars are hiding in the clouds as if they feel my pain. Whispers of the heart, they call your name. And every breath I take feels like a step I've missed, a memory. And every breath I take feels like a step I've missed, a memory. And every breath I take feels like a step I've missed, a memory.
Okay guys, after settle down here, we had Korean dinner. I really love ramen noodles. They are so good and very spicy.
Together through the night, under neon lights, we search for the dream, moving to the beat that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my day 9 vlog in Denmark. So this is actually my first part of the Copenhagen trip, so there are so much stuff to come. So subscribe, like, share and comment my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.